I'm Chris from Gunda Graphics, and today I'm going to be making this Romano British brooch. This brooch, which is dated to the 2nd century CE, is in the so-called trumpet style. So, to make a digital version of this, I put the picture of the original at the bottom. In a new layer, we go to Polar Grid, six radial dividers, 0 concentric dividers. We resize it, something like this, and we change the color of the stroke to bright blue. Now we zoom in a bit. And resize it like this. Deselect. Put a circle in the middle. Like this. Copy, paste in front, and resize it. Copy, paste in front, resize it again. Like this. So we have these 4 points. This one we're gonna rotate like this. So these 2 points, these 2 lines correspond. We lock this layer, add a new layer, zoom in a bit, like this. We're gonna start by making this shape with the pen tool. We change the color to a bright red. Start here. Like this. Now with the curvature tool, we zoom in a bit to this point. So this should be smooth. No. We're gonna delete this point and start from here with the direct selection tool. Yeah, that looks much better. So we deselect. Now we're gonna build this part with the pen tool. This. With the curvature tool. That looks okay. Now we're gonna build this shape. With the pen tool. Like this. Same thing with the curvature tool. We zoom in a bit to this part. As we can see, this object consists of 3 different parts, 3 symmetrical parts. So, to recreate this, select this object, rotate to the middle 120 degrees, copy. So now we can create this part with the exact measurements to make it symmetrical. With the pen tool, curvature tool, that looks okay. You can delete this part, zoom out, that looks okay. As you can see here, this is something strange. So we select all, go to properties, stroke, and we round up the corner. That's much better. To make it more symmetrical, I'm gonna change this point. Doesn't really look smooth. That's much better. That looks okay. So these four shapes we're going to repeat 3 times. So rotate to the middle 120 degrees. If my mouse wants to cooperate, and repeat like this. Select all, change the thickness and properties. So the stroke weight I'm gonna change to 4. Select all, go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. We go to Shape Builder tool, select a contrasting color, and build these 4 shapes. We select one of the red shapes, go to select, same fill color, delete it, and we zoom in a bit, and we make sure visually it corresponds, like this point. With the direct selection tool, we change it manually. It looks much better. So, select all. We group these 4 parts and rotate them to the middle 120 degrees, copy and copy again. That looks okay. So in our template document, we copy the color scheme, paste it, the first shape we're gonna put in green, beige, and orange. Select the object, go to our template document, paste it, and resize it like we want to. The pagan pride text we're gonna change to the beige. Oh, not the black, beige. And remove this guideline. And this design is finished.